Alright, we have a minute till showtime, hopefully. Because if I get a fail again, I'm going to be disappointed. 12 o'clock, let's see. Will we get lucky? We're going to work, or are we going to fail? I'll be disappointed if it fails. Because it failed the last couple times. $12, still nothing. Yes! Finally. I hear another one testing. It's about time. I hear another one somewhere. I think it's on the other side. Here she is, right here. All done? Wow. Finally. It has been like 3 months since it's been failing, and now it's finally working. I'm glad. Yeah, baby.